I never wanted or thought of making this video, I just did it for fun, but I don't know why, but giant robots and dinosaurs were always awesome to me. Both those at the same time. I mean, look at Mechagodzilla. But there's one thing that perfected it. Metal Gear Rex. It's essentially a T-Rex with a fucking railgun. And he even makes the goddamn noise. I mean, look at the thing. It's fucking a giant T-Rex robot. That is amazing.
Soviets.
Impossible! It can't be active!
Doctor! You're as useless as I thought! This is the real Sahelanthropus! You and your friend will die here! Behold! Today is the day weapons learn to walk upright!
A support helicopter requested.
Get out of there, boss. Comes first.
I fucking love that dinosaur noise. And oh yeah, don't get me started on Sahelanthropus and his fucking laser sword.